Hi friends and foes, I am Shomo and you are watching Hollywood Encyclopedia. And today I am gonna talk about top 10 Bollywood movies which were directly copy pasted from Hollywood. And before starting, let me tell you one thing. I am not a critic of Bollywood movies. The way new actors are doing good movies and clearing the paths, soon enough Bollywood is going to win Oscar again. Bollywood just had a great loss of Sushant Singh Rajput. I was a big fan of yours, and your death shattered me. R.I.P. Sushant. Most of the Bollywood movies which were copied, if you search on Google or in YouTube, they are on various YouTube channels and in Google, and you will see same thing again and again because YouTube channels are copying one another. But in my videos, you will get always something extra because it is Hollywood Encyclopedia. And now, let's get started. Number 10. Dil Bole Harippa was copied from She Is a Man. Now, if we compare these two movies, She Is a Man got 6.3 rating on IMDb and Dil Bole Harippa got 4.5 on IMDb. She Is a Man was released in 2006 and Dil Bole Harippa was released in 2009. She Is a Man is one of the best rom-com sports drama movie of Hollywood. And Dil Bole Harippa, I don't want to say anything because after knowing a movie is copied, there's nothing to say about it. And director, what did he do? He just directly copied and pasted Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and he did nothing else. The only difference was the She Is a Man was based on football and this movie Dil Bole Harippa was based on cricket. Nothing else, nothing is there.
Nobody at Illyria has even met Sebastian. They wouldn't know the difference.
Now, she's headed to Illyria Academy.
Let's go, kick, kill!
Where the men have game.
Number 9. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता was copied from Liar Liar. Now, if we just compare these two movies, Liar Liar got 6.9 rating on IMDb and क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता got 5.3 rating on IMDb. Liar Liar was released in 1997 and क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता was released in 2001. Look, Govinda is a good actor, okay? Probably one of the greatest comic actors of all time in Bollywood. But if you search in Google, who is the best comic actor of all time? Jim Carrey's name will be there. Jim Carrey. You are remaking Jim Carrey's movie and there no such good acting, no facial expression, nothing is there. How can you think this movie will become a hit?
Any change, mister?
Absolutely. Could you spare some?
Yes, I could.
Will ya? How come?
Because I believe you'll buy booze with it. I just want to get from my car to the office without being confronted by the decay of Western society. Plus, I'm cheap.
हाँ कि बेटे I am proud of you my son, I am proud of you. मेरी बेटी खाली हाथ घर से जा रही है. अरे यार जब बच्ची के हाथ में कुछ दोगे नहीं तो खाली हाथ ही जाएगी घर से. इतना भी नहीं कि महीने 2 महीने का खर्चा दे देते, लेकिन ना कहा कि मेरी सारी चिंता दूर होगी. अरे अपनी चिंता जब दूसरों को दे दोगे तो खुद की चिंता तो दूर हो जाएगी ना. 2 बेटी पैदा कर सकते हो, 2 घर दबा नहीं पाल सकते थे.
I am sorry, Govinda. This time, you failed. Number 8. Bang Bang was copied from Night and Day. And now, if we compare these two movies, Night and Day got 6.3 rating on IMDb and Bang Bang got 5.5 rating on IMDb. Night and Day was released in 2010 and Bang Bang was released in 2014. Look, these Indian audiences are numb. They come from shithole. Bang Bang got 5.5 rating on IMDb. I don't expect it. This movie doesn't deserve 5.5. Maybe Tom Cruise is good. Tom Cruise is charming. Tom Cruise's movies are good. But Hrithik is not less than him. Bang Bang may be a copied film, but this movie deserves more than 5.5. Guys, please go to IMDb, open an account and increase its number, please. I don't think this movie deserves 5.5, please.
Take the guns.
Okay.
Here.
Whoa. What next?
Let him have it.
तुम बहुत एक्साइटिंग हो रही हो। अब गन्स निकालो एंड शूट।
Number 7. Gully Boy was copied from 8 Mile. 8 Mile got 7.1 rating on IMDb and Gully Boy got 8.2 rating on IMDb. 8 Mile was released in 2002 and Gully Boy was released in 2019. Eminem's 8 Mile was one of the greatest musical film of all time. But Indian audiences don't know that Zoya Akhtar's Gully Boy was inspired from this movie. I can't say that this movie was directly copied from 8 Mile, but 50% of the scenes, beats, and other things are directly taken from this movie. And this movie also got Filmfare and IFA and other things, I don't know, blah blah blah. But when this movie was sent to Oscars, this movie was not nominated at least for the second round of Oscars. How can it do that? How can it do that? Because it was a copied movie and copied movies are not nominated for Oscars. Look, Andhadhun was released in that year, Uri was released in that year, but these movies were not sent to the Oscar committee. Movies like Gully Boy was sent to the Oscar committee. I don't know how Indian people do that, how Indian people can accept this kind of things.
Look! Now while he stands tough, notice that this man did not have his hands up. The three worlds got you gassed up. Now who's afraid of the big bad boy? One.
सलाम ठोक सर झुका तू दुम दबा चल रास्ता नाप ले कपड़े सिला ले खुद के दम पे नहीं लिए मैंने अपने बाप से
Number 6. Got to See Great Ho was copied from Bruce Almighty. Bruce Almighty got 6.8 rating on IMDb and Got to See Great Ho got 3.6 rating on IMDb. Bruce Almighty was released in 2003 and Got to See Great Ho was released in 2008. If you make a list of worst movies, I will take this shit and put this name on the top of the list. How can someone watch this movie? Worst direction, worst acting, worst expressions, worst cinematography, everything was worst. I feel like I should look at vomiting, someone vomiting. Someone vomiting is better than watching this movie. Think Salman Khan is remaking Jim Carrey's movie. Oh my god, what a pleasure.
Fine! The gloves are off, pal! Come on, let me see a little rat. Smite me, almighty smiter!
गाड़ी क्यों तोड़ते हो? मुझे मारो, मार डालो। क्यों भेजा था मुझे इस दुनिया में? परेशान करने के लिए। तावीज़, तुम्हारी पूजा करके ही बनाया था ना? तो रखो अपने पास।
Did you watch the trailers? The director actually tried to do Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V and nothing else. Even the costumes were same. And what was the result? A big blockbuster flop. You think you are remaking Jim Carrey's movie. Jim Carrey is there, Jennifer Aniston is there, Morgan Freeman is there, and there Salman Khan. Oh my god. Only positive thing was in this movie was Amitabh Bachchan and nothing else. Don't watch this movie. Don't watch this movie. Don't spoil your valuable time of life. Don't spoil. Number 5. Dhamal was copied from Rat Race, Road Trip. It's a mad. How many mads are there? 4 mad. Oh. 4 Mad World and some scenes from Mr. Bean. Rat Race got 6.4 rating on IMDb. Road Trip got 6.4 rating on IMDb. It's a Mad World got 7.5 rating on IMDb. The movies were released in 2001, 2000 and 1963 respectively. And on the other hand, Dhamal was released in 2007 and got 7.3 rating on IMDb. Dhamal is still the number 1 comedy movie of Bollywood. Always remaking is not bad. This movie proved that thing. Always remaking is not bad. Though the director, what has he done? He took Rat Race, he took Road Trip, some scenes from Mr. Bean, and took a mixer grinder, paste all these movies and surf as if it is a khichdi. But though this movie actually did good and very good. Very good. And it is still the number 1 comedy movie of Bollywood. If you haven't watched this, please watch this movie.
ये रही गाड़ी, ये रहा स्पीड और ये रहा एंगल.
Number 4. Baar Baar Dekho was copied from Groundhog Day. First, I am going to compare these movies and then I am coming. Groundhog Day got 8 rating on IMDb and Baar Baar Dekho got 5.3 rating on IMDb. Groundhog Day was released in 1993 and Baar Baar Dekho was released in 2016. Doing experiment with movies is okay, but doing a wrong experiment with a movie makes it terrible. Disaster. I don't have any words to describe this movie. This movie is like Faki Rubber Ducky. Oh my god, I don't have that much stock of words for this movie. If you told me to look at a gorilla's butthole, if you told me to stare at a gorilla's butthole, I will still stare at that. I will still prefer that than watching this movie Baar Baar Dekho. Oh my god, it's the worst movie of Bollywood.
Find out. He's not just stuck in Puxatawny.
Will you be checking out today, Mr. Connors?
Chance of departure today, 100%.
He's stuck in Groundhog Day.
I'm reliving the same day.
एक दिन में 10 दिन, दूसरे दिन में 2 साल, तीसरे दिन में 16. इसका मतलब 4 दिन में मैं मर जाऊंगा. अगर मुझे पता होता आज जो होने वाला है, मैं कुछ अलग करता. 10 साल पीछे भेजा, इसका मतलब कुछ फिक्स करना है.
Number 3. Deewane Hue Pagal was copied from There's Something About Mary. There's Something About Mary got 7.1 rating on IMDb and Deewane Hue Pagal got 5.3 rating on IMDb. There's Something About Mary was released in 1998 and Deewane Hue Pagal was released in 2005. And this remake will prove you wrong again. Because every copied film is not bad. And this movie will say this thing. This is one of the best comedy movies in Bollywood. Paresh Rawal, Akshay Kumar, Shahid Kapoor, Sunil Shetty. Oh my god. This was very good film. Very good film. And please don't look the IMDb ratings. Indian audiences are numb, you know.
Are you the little guy making all that big noise? Huh?
मचा रहे थे. Hello.
Did you watch the trailer? Please watch the Hollywood movie. Watch it And please don't ask me about the Hollywood movie. Did you watch the trailer? Please watch it. You will understand what real comedy looks like. Please watch it. Number 2. Love Shuda was copied from The Hangover. Hangover got 7.7 rating on IMDb and Love Shuda got 4.4 rating on IMDb. Hangover was released in 2009 and Love Shuda was released in 2016. I know most of you, the Hollywood fans, have watched Hangover, the Hangover series. And what is this shit? What is this Love Shuda shit? When did it release? Where did it go? Nobody knows. What actually director tried to do? He took Hangover 1, he took Hangover 2 and some old tragic Bollywood love romantic scenes and mixed them homogeneously and served them as khichdi. Oh my god. But this actor Girish Kumar actually tried to do good. I personally feel that. And there's no comparison. You just can't compare these two movies. Where is Hangover? Where is Girish Kumar? No, Girish Kumar not the name of the movie though. But still, you don't know where are these two people. Where are these two people? Where is this movie now? But Hangover is still the number 1 Hollywood movie.
Nights we'll never forget. What happened last night?
Hi. Who are you? What?
And now the number 1. Before starting, I would like to tell you something. Please don't get offended by this video because now I am going to tell you the truth. Bollywood's biggest blockbuster of all time, Sholay, was copied. Sholay was copied from the Chinese movie Seven Samurai and the Hollywood movie Magnificent Seven. So let's just compare these two movies. Seven Samurai got 8.6 rating on IMDb and released in 1954. The Magnificent Seven got 7.7 rating on IMDb and released in 1960. And Sholay got 8.2 rating on IMDb and was released in 1975. I just don't wanna comment on the Bollywood movie because it is the biggest blockbuster of all time. Maybe it was copied line by line, scene by scene, but still, Sholay is Sholay, and no other movie can substitute this movie. All the actors were magnificent in that movie, magnificent, beautiful, and the other things. And Amitabh Bachchan, grand salute to him.
They were only 7, but they fought like 700 to bring the kind of justice that would last. They made a brave stand, wipe away their past.
So that was it. I will come again with the second part of this series, copy paste thing. And until then, stay healthy, stay good. Hope all of you guys are doing very well. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon because you'll be notified, and comment on my videos if you guys are liking it or not. And whatever you do, please don't stop watching movies.